it's Dylan here at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. This one finished off in white with the red and silver accents. It looks awesome. This one's a 2018, but it's on a 68 plate. It's on 3,014 miles from new. Loads of nice extras, so you can see there you've got the nice little fly screen, you've got the proper Evotech radiator guard and Triumph billet indicators, and then going down the side you've also got the proper Triumph crash protection on this bike too. And you've also got Triumph rear sets. Now they cost an absolute fortune if you look into them, an absolute fortune. Fully adjustable of course, all billet CNC and aluminium, so they are the proper ones to have. And of course you've seen there the Arrow exhaust. Seat cowl, and also you've got a tail tidy by Evotech with the indicators there too by Triumph. Now being an RS, these come with a full colour TFT display. You can adjust this to look differently to suit your style. You get different rider modes, you get traction, and you also get ABS as well. But you also get things like an Ohlins shock, Brembo monoblock M50 brakes at the front, and a fully adjustable Showa forks as well. And then over on this side of the bike, of course, you've got crash protection at this side. You get a quickshifter as standard on these, and also you can see a better look at that rear set on this side too. Right, I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen. You also get LED running lights on this bike as standard too. So if you do fancy it, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom and we'll get it sorted for you. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.